Moody's has sharply revised its forecast for global and Indian economy, taking into consideration the disruptions caused by the coronavirus crisis and the rise in the number of cases. In its global macro outlook report, Moody's expects Indian economic growth to contract 3.1% this year, but the growth will bounce back sharply in 2021 with 6.9% growth, which is nearly triple of the 2020 growth. It had earlier projected 0.2% growth for the Indian economy in April, but without taking into account the disruptions due to the coronavirus pandemic. The report also touched upon the skirmishes happening on the line of actual control between India and China. Moody's said the Asian countries are particularly vulnerable to changes in geopolitical dynamics, and China's clashes with countries bordering the South China Sea and India point to geopolitical risks rising for the entire region. In its report, Moody's also said due to the pandemic, the second quarter of the current fiscal will go down in history as the worst quarter for the global economy since World War II. Moody's also said the effects of the lockdowns on global activity during the second quarter will be larger than expected earlier. But China will be the only G20 country to post growth in 2020, with Chinese economy growing at 1% in 2020 and 7.1% in 2021. However, overall, a gradual recovery for the global economy from the beginning of the second half of 2020. G20 economies will contract by 4.6% in 2020 and grow by 5.2% the next year. The pandemic will push debt levels in the world's richest countries up by almost 20 percentage points, almost double the damage seen during the 2008 to 2009 financial crash.